Everyone is asking me the same question these days, whether my channel is monetized or not. So let me tell you, my channel is not monetized yet. I know you might ask why it isn't monetized. The reason is simple, I haven't applied for monetization yet. So today I'm going to apply for monetization and we'll see what happens, whether my channel gets monetized or not.
From here I click on Apply Now. And here Start I click. And Accept I click. And first step done. Now I click on second step. I have AdSense and I click on it. And next I click. Here I select an email. And here I click on Set Up Account. And from here I click on Redirect to YouTube. And our second step also done. And this third step takes some time, so I have to wait some time.
2,000 years later.
Right now it's been 15 hours and I got an email from YouTube saying, your channel is not approved for YouTube monetization. After seeing this, I didn't feel bad at all, because the kind of edits I make will 100% be considered reused content. So I will stop uploading those kinds of videos on this channel. Can you guys tell me what content I should make? I'm thinking of making editing tutorials. Comment and I'll try. Otherwise, from today onwards, this channel will only have editing tutorials. If you're interested in learning editing, you can subscribe.